Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Denaex and currently 38 weeks pregnant and I have a lot of cleaning to do, as you can see, and I'm going to be getting induced next week, so I do want to make sure I get this room straightened up. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope you guys get the cleaning motivation that you guys were needing, and make sure to stay tuned for the end for some small clips of my surprise baby shower that we had a few days ago, which is why we have this huge mess right now in his room. And also too, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in, move in. A taken bed, a sun to set, and maybe we're falling, falling.
It may all be over before it's begun, before it's begun. Let's get it not over. Before it's begun.
A subtle touch, a fever rush. Yeah, we can stay in, stay in. A fiery flame, a clever game, and maybe we're falling, falling.
It may all be over before it's begun, before it's begun. Let's get it not over before it's begun.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in, move in. A taken bed, a sun to set, and maybe we're falling, falling.
I love to do a dessert table, and what I like to do is I'll show you guys after, but I'll just get like pre-made stuff like Costco, like cookies, and then usually I'll get like macaroons for the top, but I just got like these ones, and they'll be like really good. And it's like perfect. Hi. Just finishing up.
Your makeup looks perfect. Thanks.
Filming a video. So something just simple. We did really simple. Well, I did really simple for today. It was very last minute.
I just want to thank everybody for coming. Just enjoy your precious time. I'm going to pray real fast. Lord, thank you for this day, Lord, just to gather here, Lord, and just be thankful, Lord, for this another baby, Lord, that you have blessed us with, Lord. And we just pray, Lord, that everybody have a blessed time, Lord, enjoy this week, Lord. We just pray, Lord, that Denaex, Lord, and the baby, Lord, when it's time to deliver, Lord, that they would just be 120% safe, Lord, and healthy, Lord, and it would just, and everybody is just happy, Lord, and enjoy the new baby, Lord, and as our family grows, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen.
Live up in the baby area.